Fijian ambassador to China, Manasseh R. Tajikakibao, said he's impressed by Guizhou's rapid development and local people's happy life after visiting the mountainous province in southwest China. From June 3rd to the 7th, more than 20 ambassadors and diplomats from 19 countries joined in a 5-day tour on local ecological civilization progress in Guizhou.
This is my first time to visit Guizhou. When you see, you then tend to question yourself, how can people be living up in these mountains? Do they enjoy living here? Do they have accessibility or connection to other places? And then for the last few days I've been here, those questions have been answered. What I feel about Guizhou is that I am very impressed, I am very fascinated by first the landscape, secondly by the development, thirdly by the people living harmoniously together with the environment.
After visiting a village in Bijie City, he praised it as a prime example of poverty reduction.
You know what we heard about Wahoo, that place was deemed unlivable, and today it is a livable, happy, safe place, clean rivers, no more soil erosion because of the forestation. Authorities lifted the people out of poverty and injecting all the income generating projects that they can. And Chinese people are very hardworking people. And the government is looking at it holistically, leaving no one behind. They want every Chinese people to prosper together, to move forward together, to modernize together.
Guizhou, once a province with rocky desertification land in China, had suffered from ecological degradation and severe economic distress. However, years of efforts to better restore and preserve the local ecosystem have paid off, and the province has been designated as China's ecological civilization pilot zone and the country's first national big data comprehensive pilot zone.